Try the new exclusive Mazda 48X. It can take 6 people to ride. It's powered by Chevrolet. Hold on, Jeff. Show them the suspension. Great stability and mobility. With incredibly smooth P6 braking car. AWD car 8V engine. Stock, no longer with the new P6 braking. It can deliver such blows that make your car barrel roll onto the dealership's hands. It's precise integrity. Try out the new one. Get ready for the new car, Mazda 48X! Super long thing to say, but it's about this high speed. Can survive high speed impacts. Drive it anywhere you want. Jeff, are you there? Yes, this feels like driving a master truck with steroids. Yes. The end. Hey Jerry, don't put that there. It's not a dynamite, it's a red scroll. Oh man, just get in there. Success! Something suspiciously long that I just don't wanna say, but it's about the car, guys. So just, it's like that, okay? Better than ever. You have never seen the boxes fall off. Great stability and control. Perfect opportunity for driver. It can lie down but never forever. Mazda 48X. This advertisement is fake. In short,